Pardon?
Am I riding with you?
Yeah, I think so. Sorry, what was your name?
Daniel.
Daniel. Cancel. So my car's still in the car park over there, and then I guess we're going to go back.
Got it.
Alright.
So hot. You're gonna have fun?
I think so, yeah.
It's just nuts. I don't even know what to say anymore.
Please get out.
I'm going with what's that? Oh, you go.
Nice. 日本車2台しかいないですもん。すごいですね。でもなんか俺あんまランボルギーニのフォルムって惹かれないんですよね。ポルシェの方が惹かれるんですよ。
いや、分かりますよね、多分。
そうなんです。あ、カズ君だ。あ、クラッチがない。あれ GTR 乗ってる知り合いの人なんですけど。やばいっすね。でも普段こんなスーパーカー来ないですね。もう日本車オンリー。諸星さんも無事でよかったな。あ、諸星さんって知ってます？あ、はい。あの人この間事故ったの。
行きます。He's gonna park it. We're gonna go check his car out. This car is male side wide body kit RX-7, the Han Special right here.
That is so nuts. So, for all of you that don't know, you know my friend Sam Rubinet, the stunt driver, he was on when you saw the stunt driving scenes in the movie. They did him up in makeup, they put long hair on him, and then Sam does all the drifting scenes for the actual actor. Fun fact. Fun fact. That's pretty cool.
Tweet it.
Did you meet Damon and Dave?
No,
This guy came from Seattle.
Seattle, my man. You're like all of like a 30-minute float plane or a 5-hour drive.
みんなで写真撮って
今のうちに警察とか来たらあれだから今のうちに写真撮っちゃいましょう。Take a group picture before the cops come.
Yeah, just coincidentally.
エンジン切った方がいいかな。いいよね。
I don't know if they lived here or
Hey,
really.
don't mean to interrupt. We got to get a group picture before the cops come and throw us all out real quick. So we're gonna gather right here.
Okay.
And
Always cops.
yeah.
Dave's gonna punch a cop in the mouth tonight.
Fight him. Okay.
Just in our 34 day, but no big deal.
Okay.
He's literally in the weeds.
Smile.
He can piece it together. One more with mine.
Hello, Japan! Hey!
Thank you, Jamie. Thanks, man.
Awesome. What do you got?
All right. I was here a few months ago in Japan. I was rolling in the SV, and all of a sudden this van comes up to me, right?
Yeah.
I said, okay, cool looking van, whatever. He downshifts and blows my doors off in the SV.
Really?
I've stopped the guys
hold on. I see 6 racing seats.
Yes, you do. Now,
It's got 6 racing seats in this van.
you want to take a guess what's sitting between the front 2 racing seats?
an engine?
Yeah, you want to guess what kind of engine?
A big one?
A goddamn big one. This is my buddy,
What?
Mr. Han, and he's
hell?
about to show you what makes this van tick, my man.
I feel like racing tires. Look at this.
How about an R35 GTR engine?
Get out of here!
No, I'm telling you the truth, brother.
What?
Yep. This van shoots flames. He's got this thing so decked out, all carbon fibers, everything fully customized. GTR engine, R35 in a high ace van.
Only in Tokyo would you find
Japan,
a
baby.
GTR motor transplanted into a van with 6 racing seats, slammed to the deck on race tires and wheels.
Oh, and it shoots flames from here across the parking lot.
What? Oh my gosh.
David, you got it? You got what you want?
Yeah, this thing's fucking insane.
Thanks so much for coming out and meeting us, bro.
Yeah.
It's really cool of you to be here.
That's so cool from
We
Seattle.
could have met from Vancouver to Seattle in
Yeah, I had
30
no
minutes
idea.
or so. Instead, we spent 12 hours on a plane to come out and meet in a parking area in Japan.
That's right.
But how much cooler is it?
How long are you here for? Oh, really?
My second time I was here 3 years ago.
That's crazy. So you've been here before. It's a special car.
Okay. Let me tell you what we got right here, dude, because we're taking now next level even crazy. GTR R35, not a big deal, right? They're all over the place since you've been here.
Okay.
How about a Nur Edition GTR R35 wrapped in full animation character?
And it's got a full Alcantara interior.
Full Alcantara
Like
interior.
dash, seats,
Like
steering wheel, everything.
Everything. Look at this car.
That's
All
pretty
good, small
wild.
race. These are called,
Yeah,
David,
this-
these are called Itasha.
Yeah, this
Itasha.
is a big thing here.
Huge thing here. It's
Yeah.
actually big in the States and growing in Canada too, I believe too.
Okay.
A lot of kids are driving cars like this now. They take their love for animation
Yeah.
and for speed and for cars and they
Put
put
it
the
in.
two together,
Yeah.
and this is what you get. A badass fast sports car wrapped in the animation characters.
It's really cool.
Watch this stuff here.
Yeah, I got it.
You know, the characters that they like.
Look at this.
Some
Look at
guys
the
create their own.
interior of this car.
Oh yeah.
Like,
Alcantara racing seats.
Yeah, seats,
Two-tone
steering wheel,
one. Beautiful.
the whole dash. The whole dash
Yeah.
is done.
And the detail and the wrap and everything else, it's gorgeous. But
I like it because it's got the anime, but it's
Yeah.
also got all the stickers, so it looks like a race car.
It does. You're absolutely right. That's what these mean. Itasha means painful car, pain car. But it's guys who love animation and love cars, and that's how they combine their two. Now he puts on his real exhaust pipes. These are Takayari. This is Japanese custom.
So this is that car that we were ripping.
This
that
is
Dave's
Soki's
in.
car that Dave was in.
Dude, Soki's car. Oh, he's got exhaust on now.
Soki put his exhaust on now. These are called Takayari.
Yeah.
Takayari are extension of the mufflers, as you see. Yes, they are.
Yeah.
And they put these on when they display their cars on at places like this. So this is his style, man. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. It is.
I've never seen quite a wing to that extent. Or,
Yep.
more importantly, like the wide body kind of thing. You need to have lights up on here, man, or someone's gonna step on that. That's crazy.
He built this car all by himself, Soki. He does all the work by himself. Totally customized this thing, and that's why I respect this guy so much for what he's able to do. Not just pay for somebody to do, he does it himself.
No,
which is
he
awesome.
He does it himself.
Everything in his own garage, in his secret base where he's got
Oh, we're
outside
gonna
of
ask
Tokyo.
him like how many years it took to build this.
Oh no, months. This ain't years. He did it in months.
You did it in months?
He did his Diablo in months, and he did this car in
Oh
months
yeah,
too.
he's got a hacked up custom wide body that he did himself
Yep.
on a Diablo.
Yeah, incredible Diablo. Wide body, crazy car, mad. What a find.
Okay, where's Dave? Let's go find
We
Dave.
better find Dave.
まさか帰ったってことないよね。